Could artificial intelligence be the next big breakthrough in the way businesses analyze their documents? The answer may surprise you. Welcome to the exciting world of AI prompt engineering. Imagine a world where businesses have the power to examine vast amounts of documentation in seconds, uncovering critical information and insights that could drive strategy and decision-making. This is no longer a figment of the imagination, but a reality made possible through AI prompt engineering. Consider a case study of a multinational corporation with a vast array of complex business documents. Financial statements, market research reports, internal communications, and customer feedback forms. An overwhelming volume of information to process. Traditionally, a team of analysts would spend weeks or even months analyzing these documents. But with AI prompt engineering, the corporation was able to analyze these documents in a fraction of the time. The corporation crafted precise prompts that directed the AI to look for specific pieces of information in the documents. For example, one prompt might have been, identify key financial trends in the last quarter. The AI, armed with these prompts, was able to quickly and efficiently sift through the corporation's financial statements, identifying and highlighting key trends that were vital for future planning. Another prompt directed the AI to identify common themes in customer feedback forms. Within minutes, the AI was able to analyze thousands of forms, identifying recurring issues that the corporation could address to improve customer satisfaction. The key to this success lies in the crafting of precise, targeted prompts. A well-crafted prompt guides the AI to the exact information that the business needs, ensuring that the analysis is accurate and useful. What does this mean for businesses? AI prompt engineering has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses handle and analyze their documents. It offers a faster, more efficient method of extracting crucial information from large volumes of documents. It also allows businesses to gain insights that they may have missed with traditional analysis methods. No longer will businesses need to spend hours poring over documents. With AI prompt engineering, they can quickly and efficiently extract the information they need, freeing up time and resources for other crucial tasks. The future of business may very well lie in the integration of AI in everyday processes. As AI technology continues to advance, so too will its potential applications in business. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright. In conclusion, AI prompt engineering is more than just a technological advancement. It's a tool that has the potential to revolutionize business operations, making document analysis faster, more efficient, and more accurate. It's time to embrace the future of business, a future that includes AI prompt engineering. If you want to see how our FabSoft products can enhance your documents, please click the links below to try it for free or schedule a demonstration.